I've waited here today, 8 hours straight to stay, and a knock knock at your door, and I'll stay just a little more. So please, I'm not the others. So please, I wanna make us count. I wanna fall in my parole. With you alone, I'll lose control. Ooh, why do you call me stalker? I don't understand. I'm just another lover reaching out for your hand. I followed you back home, then I called you on your phone. Let me ask for real, do you feel the same way I feel?